This mode is used to generate a signal from our cable ranger that can be used to test the network upstream channel. We can set up the signal modulation standard, whether it will be in a fixed frequency or will sweep the frequency band defined by the initial and final fields. We can as well set up the power level of the generated signal, its modulation parameters and symbol rate. The RF output button activates and deactivates the generated signal. The tool input voltage will show us the DC and AC voltages in the network at the meter's RF input and are displayed together with the total RF power received from the cable TV network in the whole RF band.